I was just hearing a funny little squeak, a funny little squeaky sound. So I just want to ask if you had a dog that would sometimes make a little funny sound that almost sounds like a squeak.
Yeah.
Aww. Lovely. And is that the most recent dog that you lost?
It could possibly be. It's going to sound really weird, but he used to tap gas a lot.
That's not weird at all.
It would never be anything long and drawn out. It was like a little squeak.
That's hilarious. I'm so glad that makes sense.